Mabuhay. Good afternoon everyone. At this moment, ako karon diri sa IBC Church. Na magud may organizational meeting, both men and women. But before that, mag-take me og lunch. Mag-lunch me. Itong food, this is my food. Dami kong food, daming business. And this is the food. Itong food. Nung public, hello. Pilol Ate Linda, Dunya ito.
Hoy! Dali na no, walay sabaw no. Dali na mo, dali na.
Press, happy Sunday, Press. Happy Sunday. Pagkaon mo, food. Anong hinahanap mo, Press? Ito, shrimps. Ha? Ano? Wala na, naubos na. Enjoy kami kasi kompleto kasi kami lahat ng mga members, men and women, together with the pastor, together with the leaders, deacons. Hi Cheche, hi Rochelle, hi Cheche. Clint man ka no? Say hello.
Hi. Hello.
Thank you everyone. This is Alexi Fernandez from the Philippines.